Hello, this is Avi Ben David's Mulholland. I want to show you a project that we're doing right now. We basically created this beautiful iron door that you see over there. That was the door that was here before. It was a lot smaller door, a lot shorter, as you can see. And basically what we did, we changed the structure. We increased the height of the opening. We put a new beam over there to support the roof and put the door inside. And look at this door, look at this quantity. This door weighs close to 2,000 pounds. Very heavy. It took us about 8 guys just to lift it from the truck all the way up here. And look at the glass. There's a clear glass. That's how the customer wanted it. Beautiful. There's a multi-slope over here. It actually has a bolt and a latch. So it's double locking when it's locked. The thumb is locked and the bolt. And matching everything to what was here before, the same colors. What we're doing in here, we also want to straighten the ceiling over here and put some recessed lights, about 6 recessed lights in here too, just to make this whole area a lot more beautiful.